First, hold on. Okay. Can you first say your name?
Sure.
What is your name?
Susie.
Susie. Okay, Susie. How old are you?
I'm 2.
You're 2. Okay. Now, go ahead, explain to her.
Okay. Look at these 2 cups. What's in them? What's in them?
Don't touch them, just look. Oh my god, my camera's gonna die.
Medicine. Okay. Do they have the same amount in each cup?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And put in the bowl.
Okay. No, not in the bowl. We're gonna put them in here.
My camera's gonna die.
Wait. Okay. Put them in here. Carefully. Pour it in. Good girl. Okay. Now look. Do these 2 have the same amount?
Yeah.
Why?
That's how I'm going to put it.
Yeah, but why do they have the same amount?
I'm going to put them out there, and then they'll look the feces, and then the fat water, and then you tap them out, and then you dump it in the cup, and then you can't put it in the feces though. And then the water's gonna die, and then we're cat. One put it in the water. One not.
So they both have the same?
So they both have the same water?
Yeah.
That's why?
That's why, because you want soap.
Oh, okay.
And then it's got medicine, so you can't drink it.
Good
Okay.
girl.
Good girl. Now put this one in here.
And
No. This one in here.
Hurry, it's gonna die.
Oh, it's gonna die. Help me.
Put it in there.
Jordan, I couldn't believe you couldn't do this.
When now,
These 2 have the same?
Before you had a lot more time.
And this has the same that was in here?
yeah.
Yeah?
Good girl.